Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here for an exciting video, and there's the hockey game. Anyways, guys, I just got some new things. My new birds. My bird is right here. It's right there. I'm just trying to keep him calm. He's a little shy and nervous because we only got him 2 days ago. Anyways, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And his name is right here. His name is Taco. And the one that just squeaked behind me, his name is Pablo. Anyways, guys, I don't really want to really. Okay, Pablo, what do you want? Pablo probably wants. Taco needs to get on my shoulder. Come on, Taco. Taco, come on. Come on, Taco. Get on my shoulder. There we go. So he's on my shoulder right now. Yes. Yes, Pablo. What do you want, Pablo? Pablo just pooped. I heard it. I think you can see him. Can you? Pablo, wanna come on? Come on, Pablo. No? Okay. There you go. Here you go, Taco. Taco. Hi, Pablo. Say hello to the fans. Pablo. Hi. Hi, Pablo. Want treats? Oh, you're just going up there. Oh, Pablo. No? No? Hi, Pablo. Oh, Pabs. So yeah, guys, those are my new birds. He's got the. Anyways, guys, that's pretty good. Just sitting around with my birds. Yeah, you're wondering why we have our tree up in February. Keeping it up to March, bro. Hi, Pablo. Pablo is a birdie. Pablo is a birdie. Pablo is a birdie. Pablo is a birdie. Pablo, Pablo, Pablo. There he is. Nice feathers. And here's the other one. Oh, he's a little scared. He's a little shy, as I was talking about. Like, it's pretty hard to get him when he's up on the top roof, but there he is. There he is, way up here. Hello, Pablo. Pablo, you're on YouTube now. There's Taco. Pablo, Taco. Those are their two names. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to grab your bird and smash them into the like button. No, I'm joking. You don't want to kill the birds. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and to subscribe for more. I'll update you on a bird. Anyways, guys, Pablo says peace. Peace.